how to enable call forwarding on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable call forwarding on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Phone app on your phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Then, tap on Calling Accounts or SIM settings, depending on your software version. Select the SIM card you want to use if you have more than one SIM card installed. Now, tap on Call Forwarding. You'll see several options, such as forwarding all calls, forwarding when busy, when unanswered, or when unreachable. Choose the call forwarding option you want to enable and enter the phone number where you'd like your calls to be forwarded. Once you've entered the number, tap Turn On, Enable, or OK to save the changes.
That's it! You've successfully enabled call forwarding on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.